Hey, what's up? This is JoJo ZOLINA. Once again, this is on our third video, how to whack basic arm rolls and arm placement with a combination of footwork. So you could do this as fast as you want or as slow as you want. It's gonna take a while because you're coordinating your arms, your foot, and your poses and your core and your breathing rhythmically. So check it out. Alright guys, so we're mixing it up on the footwork. So musicality, we have to place our feet on the baseline and then arm placement on the baseline at the same time as your feet. Alright, cool, put it all together. We're gonna go forward 4 counts, backwards 4 counts, going to the right 4 counts, and then left 4 counts. Alright, so hit this as fast as you can or as slow as you can, so you get used to it. Make sure you do it consistently, and repetition is a good thing to do, so you get your body get used to it. Make sure you engage, you have your core up, engaged, and also your posture is up. Alright?
Perfect.
Thank you guys. Hope you guys had a great workout, and please stay tuned for the next other progressions for whacking. Also, please connect with your body as much as you can. Program those muscles, apply all the breath, and engage your muscles and core and oblique muscles every single time you do a movement. And then consistency is a great thing, so you have to do it all the time so your muscle memory will connect into your movements. And also hit a goal. Make sure you try to do a performance and do musicality with your movements. All right, so I'll see you next time. Have a great one. Okay.